Shirley Johnson's office. Morning.
Mr. Shirley, me get the invitation from America.
We know that long time, Veronica. Finally, you can walk on foreign soil and stop daydreaming on people them job.
You know the password?
Watch out. Passport is easy thing to get. You go like a stress that. And what a nice day.
I don't want fast ram as usual. Lovely to people conversation. But that's true. The easiest thing to get is a passport now.
Shirley. How you get a passport again?
A passport is one of the most important forms of identification a person can possess that also proves citizenship. Getting one is a relatively easy process. There are certain requirements that a person like Veronica should ensure they fulfill before they can be issued the document.
Just fill out an application form and take along
with it.
passport size photo to PICA.
Where you get the form from?
Application forms are available at the offices of the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency PICA, on their website and police headquarters island-wide.
Evie, listen now. You must make sure, see, that the passport form
And one of the photograph is certified.
by a list of persons on the application form that are authorized to sign the form. Like your just of the peace, your pastor, your daughter, headmistress, you know, those persons listed.
Come on.
And make sure you submit the form and the photo before 6 months. Because knowing you, who love to procrastinate, after that is no longer valid. And you have to do the process all over again.
All right.
Fees should be paid on the day that the application is submitted, and the applicant should take along supporting documents, such as a birth certificate or marriage certificate where necessary. If you are a first-time applicant like Veronica, you must appear in person either at the head office or to an immigration officer situated in the police divisional headquarters in each parish. Let's say your passport has expired, there are no more pages for visas, or you've changed your name. You are required to complete an application form and submit the expired passport as well as your birth certificate and photograph. Passports are issued on the date stipulated on the receipt. If collecting in person, you should present the receipt. If collecting on behalf of another person, a letter signed by the applicant and a copy of the applicant's ID must accompany the receipt. Overseas applicants can collect their passport at the mission office in their location.
V, when you're saying about your passport, make sure you secure the document, you know, because I need to rampant.
Yeah, man.
So, my friend, you know, ready to go for your passport?
Definitely, Shirley.
All right, chat later because I have something to finish off. All right, so later.
All right, Shirley. Thanks.
All right, anytime.
For more information on the services offered by the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency, please contact the Customer Service Unit, 25C Constant Spring Road, Kingston 10, or telephone 754-5249, or visit www.pica.gov.jm.